you've used it 1,000 times, but you have no idea how it works. This tiny thing holds your world together, and it's been hiding a secret since 1851. Tab, yip, zip, and your jacket seals shut. You think there's a lock inside there, a spring, a latch, a magnet. Nope, it's just geometry doing the impossible. 10 teeth per inch, locking in sequence. One Y-shaped channel doing all the work. Hook meets hollow, snap, physics in action. 60 years of failure before this finally worked. The zipper's just geometry, and it's been lying to your face. Every tooth has a hook on one side, a tiny hollow cup on the other. The slider funnels them toward each other, snapping one pair at a time like a machine. And once they're locked, the tension spreads across dozens contact points at once. That's why your zipper holds against the cold without a single tooth ever failing. Yeah. Elias Howe tried in '89, 5v1 Judson's version kept popping open. It took a Swedish engineer named Sundback over a decade of redesigns to crack it. 62 years just to get the geometry right for something you use without thinking. 10 teeth per inch, locking in sequence. One Y-shaped channel doing all the work. Hook meets hollow, snap, physics in action. 60 years of failure before this finally worked. The zipper's just geometry, and it's been lying to your face. Ten teeth per inch, locking in sequence. One Y-shaped channel doing all the work. Hook meets hollow, snap, physics in action. 60 years of failure before this finally worked. The zipper's just geometry, and it's been lying to your face. Next time you zip up your jacket, you're pulling a 1913 engineering breakthrough. Now you know what everyone else is missing. Send this to someone who still thinks it's magic.